Hello, beautiful people. This video is for the newbies. We will be creating. We will set up, first of all, we will set up QuickBooks, our QuickBooks account. This is the first thing to do, most especially if your client doesn't have a QuickBooks account, and set up a QuickBooks account. So number two, we will customize the invoice. And the third and the last is to create real estate chart of accounts and also the products and services. So let me share my screen. This is just a simple navigation, okay? We'll have an in-depth navigation some other time. For now, let's have this done. So this is my link. This is the link for the QuickBooks. I'm having a hard time, okay? QuickBooks Online Plus is the ideal version of, ideal version for real estate bookkeeping, for real estate business, because you can track your income and expenses by project, because in other versions you can't. Okay, you can also try it for free. Here is the link. You can try it for free for 30 days. So you can familiarize yourself inside QuickBooks. Now we sign in. Oh, okay now. Okay, so getting things done, we click it. This is the shortcut. These are the tasks. Quick access to the tasks that you're gonna do here inside the QuickBooks. So there's, okay. The business view, you still don't have any transaction here. So yeah, it's 000 yet, okay? Anyway, this is the, wait first, this is the gear icon or the cogwheel. I call it cogwheel actually. So we click it. We select accounts and settings to set up our QuickBooks account. Okay, just bear with me. Actually, this is my first video. So, okay, this is the pencil icon. Let's just relax. And, this one thing is to encourage your client to include business logo on invoice, because for one, for a professional looking invoice, also for a brand name, and it will make your business stand out actually, So my suggestion is you talk to your client about the brand image he wants, the color and everything, the design, or if not, you make at least 3 designs, 3 logos, and present it to your client and have him choose one. Yeah, of course, one. Have him choose. Make his best choice. Make his best choice. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Okay, let's choose this one. Save. Okay, the company name. So it's JS Real Property. JS Real. Okay. Sometimes the legal name and the company is not the same. So if it is not the same, then you will have to have another name. But for now, to make our life easier, let's click it. Okay, so business ID number. This is also business ID number. This is also often referred to as the federal tax identification number or the employer's identification number, the EIN. This is your business ID is your business entity, okay? For US, it's 9-digit. So that's 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it has a dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That makes it 9. Okay, so click and save. Are we good there? Good. Good. Okay, here. Next. Why it's not moving? Okay. Tax one. Here's again the pencil icon here. If you, this is important. If you are not sure about the tax form, you know, the thing that you should do is to ask the registration from the client to be sure because it's indicated there. For now, let's have this LLC. Industry. Industry. Okay, you click the other. Where is the other? It's here. Okay, save. This is just an example. You can change it anyway, the industry. So, okay, info. Company email. Example, if this is your company email. This is for example, no? Customer-facing email. What is customer-facing email? Customer-facing email is, it's here, where your customers can contact you, shown on sales form. Okay, meaning, because sometimes the company email, the customer-facing email are different because you want to separate the email where the customer can contact you. Okay? Company phone. Let's change this to US number. Okay, I have it. Okay? If you don't have a ready website, so there's no ready website. Save. Let us, okay, I already, this one is a legit address actually, except for this. This is, I just, for California, it starts with with number 9 and 5 digits only. What you call this? Anyway. Okay, it's done. We're done here. So we will, I don't know, okay, here. Show the table on, purchase number on. Okay, we're done here. No. Here in sales. Sales is, and then we click the, I know we will, I forgot. Pardon me. We will customize our invoice. Okay. Customize, you click sales, click customize look and feel. Look and feel. And new style. Invoice. Here. Okay, change the template. I'm not change up, was it change up the template? It says. You click the design here, so automatic it's in the design. So what you are seeing here is the a renew. Okay, simple. Okay, there is the date, the item name. It's not yet filled out. Okay, so this is the Airy Classic. What do you think? And modern. I think modern is nice too. See, the modern is nice. But fresh is the fresh, like bold. Pinaka bold is this. I don't recommend that. This is just nice to look, but if you print it, it's not nice anymore. Okay? This is friendly, the friendly template. This is nice because, you know, this is straightforward. This is good for the customers. So that she will not be like going around where to find the date, the due date, and the amount. Okay, it's here already. Make logo edits. Okay, let's click this. Show logo. Okay, this is the logo is there. Show logo. Oh, the logo is there now. Oh. The logo is, there's a placement here. Oh, you click. If you want it in the center, it's in the center. If you want it beside the business information or the detail, it's there. Okay. There's the size, small, medium, large. Okay. Color. Color is here. There. 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 You want pink. You want like that. Whatever pleases you. Let's go for blue because that's the color of our logo. Anyway, here we can select the font. I like Helvetica. This one is the Courier Times Roman. Okay, the size. Okay, like that. Okay, it's big. Well, no, that's very big. Let's go for 10. Okay, so let's go to the content. Click content. One. I checked everything here because, you know, we want the business name. Oh, here. Phone, email address, business address, the same, the email address. Okay. If you don't want that your number appear here, no, you just click that. Okay. No problem. In the description, okay, the date, you want to indicate the date, of course, that is important. Product and services includes there. Category, include description, of course, include quantity. Okay, that depends on you. Okay, that depends on your needs. Okay, you can also, we appreciate, thank you. Please pay ASAP. Please pay us ASAP. Oh, that's very demanding, no? That's not nice. Please pay, thank you. Please pay ASAP. Oh, never mind. Thank you. Thank you and goodbye. Okay. I thought the QuickBooks tells us to I thought QuickBooks told us to change the word. Okay. Here, oh, please pay ASAP. Thank you. There. Add footer. Net 30. I don't know. Here, add footer text. What can we say here? I will leave it. I will leave this empty or the invoice. Okay. Never mind. You can say in case you're not in a real estate industry, or even if you're in you can say that 10% discount if you pay now, like that. But I will not put it because okay. I think we're done. We're not done yet. Where did I click? Then we're not done yet there. Dun, 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 dun. Where is our nothing here? So the content, okay, already email, okay. You should always choose the full details instead of choosing the summarized details, okay? Of course, you want the full details. What's the use of your invoice is not full details. And you have to click PDF attach because this is your PDF look here. Oh, this is what the customer will receive from the email, like that. Okay. Snap 30, you have the term and the amount and the total. And there's the please pay ASAP. Thank you. Okay. Can you also use greeting check, or you can use dear somebody. The full name here. You put the full name there, then it will appear here. Okay. You have the choice. So now it is really done. Okay. Let's go to the chart of accounts. You can access charts of accounts from this gear icon and the accounting here. Here, chart of accounts. Okay, chart of accounts. I want it here. Okay. Actually, I already have added what you call this. I already added the other. I like. I have already added the chart of accounts here. But where is the? I think I have here. We will create new. I will show you how to create new. And before this, I forgot. Let me show you the real estate chart of accounts in my Google Sheet. This accounts has already been added to our QuickBooks Sheet, but there are items here that I will still add so you can see how I did it. Now how I'm gonna do it for you guys. Okay. You know, the chart of accounts, they're different. There's no chart of accounts that is the same. No, it's different for every business because the chart of accounts of a restaurant is of course different from the chart of accounts from the real estate business, right? Okay. So whatever, I mean, when you are creating your chart of accounts, don't be like, don't be afraid to make mistake. Even not in chart of accounts, anywhere inside the QuickBooks, because you know QuickBooks is very forgiving. You know, you can edit. If you want to add something, then you add something. After 1 month, you need something that's not there, then you add. If there is something that is useless, not useless, but it's not useful, or you don't need it for the business, then you can make it inactive. Like I said, make it inactive, you can add, you can edit. But one thing, never delete an account. You know why? Most especially if when you enter the business, you just entered as a bookkeeper in the business of your client. So meaning there are already existing accounts, and you will just delete it. Don't do that. Even if it is a brand new chart of accounts, or you're just inherited a chart of accounts from the old bookkeeper, never ever delete. You know why? If you delete it, you will interfere with the historical data, and your reports will be inaccurate. And it's very difficult to trace. the financial statements, the reports will be inaccurate because you deleted a data. You deleted a report. You deleted our historical data. Okay. So let me show you you see what you call this? You see it's different from any other chart of accounts, this real estate chart of accounts. You see the flips in progress. You will only see this one for real account, real estate accounts. Flips in progress, meaning the renovation, the improvements in existing project is not yet done, still in progress. So my explanation is some people will say that the real estate is very easy because there's no inventory. It's wrong. You know, if ever the house, the one that is being renovated is not yet done, all the expenses should not be reflected. It's not reflected in the profit and loss. Why? Because the project is still ongoing. The property, the house is still, even if still not ongoing, even if the house is still already done, but the problem is it has not been sold yet because you know when you example, the investor bought a house in August and December came. It's already December. Example, today is December 31. It's not been sold yet. You have to move the expenses from the profit and loss to the balance sheet. You know why? Because it is not fair that the expenses will be there in the property because it's too large and the property is still there, it's not yet sold. So if the expenses should be reflected as inventories and assets, so it's in the balance sheet, right? Okay, but that will only remain here until the house is not yet sold. Okay, but when you've sold it already, example, it's December 31 today, it's December 31 and January 1, you can zero this out and move this back to the profit and loss because this happens only once a year, actually. This happens only during December 31. January 1, that's the only activity. January 31, new calendar year, everything is zeroed out, is being like reflected back to the what you call this, profit and loss. Because imposible naman na hindi mabili after that, after January, di ba? Ganun lang yon. Ay, napagod ako doon. Okay? So, let's move on. So, another real estate, accounts here is a long-term rental property. We have the land. These are actually the client's assets, okay? Client's assets. We record it here. And some say that the security deposits is an asset. It's not an asset, it's a liability because it's the money is not yours, it's just being like entrusted to you by it's a deposit for renting your property by the tenant, but the asset here is the security deposits withholding. But the security deposits here is the tenant. Why? If you receive a security deposit, if I am a tenant, if I am the investor, I will just let it sit in the bank because it's not mine. At the end of the contract, if the tenant wants to go, then you can return it. But there are cases that the investor keeps it. one reason is if the tenant was not able to fulfill the rental agreement and he wants to live in the house that he has rented is damaged, like there are holes, there are like damages, so that the investor will keep the security deposit, and when he keeps the security deposits, that's the time that it will become an asset. Security deposits will go. Okay? Ay, napagod na naman ako doon. Hard money loans. I think these hard money loans are the loans that has that's not from government entities, that from private people. And this is tied with, I think this is tied with personal property or your or para bang guarantee ba? Ah, there is something that important thing that I am missing. Okay, here. Ah, here, the rental. Pardon me, be patient with me. Okay, you see this rental property expense? This rental property expense is advertising, auto cleaning, down to the water sewerage. Actually, we base this. These accounts are based or patterned from IRS Form 825. Here. Here, you see this? This is tax form 825. Real estate, here. Real estate, okay? Line 2, gross rent, this is where we report the income. And from advertising down, this is also where they report the deductible expenses from real estate activities. Okay. And also this one, the schedule E is also what you attach to your 1040. But anyway, this form 8825, this is where we pattern our the items there, the accounts there in our chart of accounts. Where are you? Okay. Here. Oh. Okay, here. See? That way it is easier for the investor to see also, and also the accountant, the people, the accountant, the accountant and the bookkeeper who will be working on that one. Us. In short, us. This is how to make a chart of accounts so that our financial statement is tax ready. Okay. Oh, here is another real estate, what you call this, accounts. Flip and wholesale property. Did I already explain what flip is? It is a property. It's when the investor has purchased a revenue generating asset, example house, house, and it is up for sale within a year, but you still have to renovate it so that you can demand better price and better gain. Okay, what's the use of buying house and just resell at the same price or something? But you have to renovate it, make it beautiful and everything like new, so you can demand a higher price. It's like this. So the items here, the purchase price, the buying cost, that's the cost on top of the that's the cost on top of the purchase price. Rehab costs, those are the materials and labor costs. Holding costs are those, ano nga yun, holding costs? These are the, ano yan? These are the ongoing costs while the projects not yet done, like utilities, tax, ano pa yun, insurance, like that. That's the holding cost. The selling cost also, if the commissions we pay to agents, moving out cost, ano pa yun, closing, and ano pa yun, improvements, like that. Debt service, these are the money that is required to cover for the interest and principal of a loan or any other debt. And Chandas, okay? So here from 6,000, to down here below, these are general expenses. No, these are general expenses. These are expenses not related to the business, not related to the core business activity, because, you know, even if we have a business, we have expenses that are not related to our business. So that is, so that we have that chart of accounts. Okay, let's go back to our chart of accounts. I think I need water. Okay, here. So this I said this is already the chart of accounts that I have partially created. So let's click new and look for the, let's click new so I can show you how to. This is for the newbies, huh? So, for the newbies pala, I have something to tell you. Oh, wait, I missed something. I missed something here. Okay. Okay. Here. You already tracked, you know? Here the okay. Make sure to always to enable account numbers, because, you know, account numbers is for the account numbers is very helpful. We can easily locate the account. We can sort it. Okay. So you always have to click this. You have always to click that, because chart of accounts is not a chart of accounts without account numbers. My gosh. Don't make your life so difficult. Okay. And also this one, you save. Okay. And also this one. We should click this so that we can track the, what's that I said a while ago? The income and the expenses per project or per customer. Okay. So are we clear here? Click save. And we're done. Sorry. And also to hear the new, you know, this is also an important aspect. The what you call this? Journal entry. In handling real estate, in handling real estate, because if you are, if you are an accountant or bookkeeper, familiarize yourself with the journal entry, because this is our best friend. Make it your best friend, because almost all of the transactions are being recorded here. No? You know, most especially if the clients would like to, most especially with the HUDs, with refinance, and even the tax and insurance escrow, it's being recorded. Almost all transactions, almost all. I'm not saying all, but almost all. Okay, this is one thing that I missed. So okay, so let's go back to where we belong. Let's go back to where we belong. Let's create something new here. Okay. expenses. Where is my, let's create new expenses. This one is, let's create, because I don't have a legal piece here. Legal and professional. Legal and professional piece. Right. Services. Here, here is expense number is 6100. The side number is 6100. Okay. So this is a mother account. So we will be making a sub account for this. 7 close. Oh, why is it not doing anything? Oh, nothing quite. Another account is already using this. Oh, really? Really? Why? Oh, oh. Let's try. Wait. Let's look for it. So let's try to look for, where is that account that somebody is using it already? I didn't know that somebody is using. Where is it? I can't find it. Is it this one? Wait. We'll try to troubleshoot this. Oh, is this one? I don't think so. I know. Let's experiment. Okay. Let's try this. Let's edit this. Okay. We got it. So number is 6100. Okay. Save and close. Oh, success stories. Okay, we look for that account. We look for 6100. We look for it because we're gonna make here. Okay, see, it's easier to locate if you have the account. What I mean, the account number. So let's edit it. I'm wrong. We will make new. We will not edit because that was a success. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Why is it that I'm having a hard time? Okay, new because this is a tax preparer. Of course, we'll have an account for tax preparer and CPA, right? CPA or tax preparer, not CPA. Let's put bookkeeper or account. Okay. I write CPA because tax preparer and bookkeeper and accountant can do that. Right. Sorry. Here we'll have why is it like this? Expenses. It changed. What was that again? Oh my God. Tax preparer. Tax preparer / CPA. So this is what? What number is this? It's 6. The mother account is 6100, right? So this one is 61110. Let's see. Let's see. And this is a sub account, okay? This is a sub account of this. I'm gonna click this. This is we will look for the 6100. 6100 is the mother account. Remember the one that we newly created? 6100 here. Boom. Okay, just like that. Then save and close. So another. So I will show you another. At least you've seen how to like sub accounts. You know, it's very easy if you put if you you create mother account with sub accounts, because it's everything is being itemized. Oh my God. Okay, new again, and this one is for account type expenses, and this one is legal fees, and this one is like attorney, and just because it's legal, then we'll have to have an attorney, what you call this, and other legal. Let us see. Number, the one is 6110, no? So this one is 6220. 1, 2. Yeah. The other one is 61110. So this one is 6120. When you include the number, you'll have a spacing for growth, no? It's not like 6111, 6112, 6113. You have a spacing so for growth ba, so that you can insert the number without changing anything. Okay, will make your life easy. So this is a sub account of what? You check this one. Okay, sub account of 6100. This one. Okay, that's an example, huh? You create the mother account, then you include you also create sub accounts. Okay, that is related, of course, to the mother account. That's why it's called mother. It has children, kids. It's a sub account. Okay, save and close. That's it. Okay. Okay, let's okay. This one is already here, but you know the process is still the same, everything. So I've already shown you how to create a mother account, sub accounts. It's just the same. It's like different name, but the same. So you see that there are spaces there that without the numbers. These are the accounts that are not included in my here. Oh, they're not there. So, but I won't, it's too early for me to make it inactive, everything there. Cost of sales, I'll make it, and no. I don't have to. So later, maybe payroll, because some real estate, as a real estate investors, they do not have, what you call this? They do not have payroll, because your employee is only you, the bookkeeper. Okay? Or them, self-employed. So, okay. Yeah. I will make it inactive, but not today. But what's wrong if they just stay there? We will know by then if we need to make it inactive. Okay? So, we're done with the chart of accounts, very easy. So, we'll go to the products and services. So, I'll show you the product and services here. These are the products and services. for real estate. If you notice, there are still 3 accounts lacking. I intentionally did not input this so that we will input it today. We will add, okay? You know what is important? What is the importance of the products and services in real estate? Because if you see the items, look at the items. The engineers will understand this. Dirt and material, rough grading, septic, excavation, flooring, walling, roofing, everything, cement, steel bars, temporary electric, demolition, because these are the expenses or the activities that are involved in flipping or in what you call this, renovating, improvements. So of course, if anything there, you'll have to have what you call this, permits and fees, building permits, even if you are, most especially if it's new construction or renovation. So direct cost. So you know why this is important? Because there are clients, or most of the clients will ask an itemized report from you, like they will say, how much did you spend for the roofing? How much did we spend for permits and licenses? How much did we spend for the bathroom, the kitchen, the trusses, the flooring, the ceiling, the paints, the excavation? They will ask from you, so you can give it right away. It's here. No, no. Okay, that is why it is important that this item should be included in your QuickBooks. So I hope I am clear. Where are we? Okay, here. So these are the items that I have already created or added in our products and services, because if we will add it, if I will create blah, 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 if I will create from one to sawa, we will finish tomorrow the chart of accounts and the products and services. So I have already added in advance. Okay, let's click new, click non-inventory, and the name is here. I have not added this one yet for all of you. SKN number is 65. And repair and maintenance. Repair and maintenance 650. 6500. Oh, plus. You're not moving. Move up. Oh my gosh. Okay. There. Billable expense. Check this. What expense is this? This is a direct construction cost here. 7 new. Okay. Again. I'll finish this. We only have like repair and maintenance. Repair and maintenance. Repair and maintenance materials. Materials. Material girl. 6610. Why are you not moving again? Oh my gosh. Sometimes it's very hard-headed. You're not cooperating. This one is billable. You know, because what's this? Save in you. Why? Repair and maintenance materials. Is that not a one? What's wrong with that? There's something wrong with that because if there's something with it, then I'll not continue this one. Joke. Oh, this is again a direct cost, construction cost. Okay. The last one is 6,520. 6,520. Hello. My computer, my desktop is already tired. It's already tired. It's not cooperating at all. Repair and maintenance. I labor. You know, this is really this is giving me like headache. What I am? Oh, you move, you move, you move. There. Billable income. Show more because you're not showing more. I'm really having a problem with this Why are you not there? Uh this is a direct cost. I think it is a direct cost. Yeah. Save and close. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Let's check it if it's here. Oh, 6, 5. You should be here. My gosh. Oh my gosh, nothing. Why are you not there? What the? Yeah, it's not here. What happened to you? Ah, it's here now. Okay, here. So it's 6520 is the repair and maintenance, material and labor. Okay. Thank you, Lord. Zero 65 here 6520 610. Okay. We did it. Thank you so much. So this is just like a quick but not quick really. Quick but not quick. Okay. Thank you very much for being with me in this journey. Okay. That is how we do our. I clicked there out that out already. Okay. Let's take a look. Also, I'll share you the e-commerce. This is the e-commerce chart of accounts. Did you see that? Come to the accounts. So there's no other accounts here. Anyway, thank you for your time. I hope you've learned something and you know where to find me. Actually, there is still more to it, the chart of accounts, but this one is like a good start. Okay. Anyway, we can like add up. We can make it inactive, like I said a while ago. So thank you very much. Hope to see you again for our next video tutorial. Okay. Thank you so much. Good night.